I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on the application of Threads. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Threads and you will click. In this page of app info we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.